Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate biochemical oxygen demand. First, understand that BOD quantifies the oxygen microorganisms used to break down organic matter in water. This measurement is crucial for assessing water quality and pollution levels. The standard BOD test typically involves a 5-day incubation period at a controlled temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to allow microbial activity to occur. We'll cover the steps to accurately determine this important environmental parameter. To begin the BOD test, you'll need to carefully prepare your samples. This involves diluting your water sample with aerated dilution water in specific BOD bottles. Next, measure the initial dissolved oxygen, or DO, concentration in each prepared bottle immediately after preparation. It's also important to prepare a blank containing only dilution water. All samples and the blank are then incubated for 5 days at a constant temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. After the 5-day incubation, the next step is to measure the final dissolved oxygen concentration in each sample and the blank. The core of the calculation involves determining the oxygen depletion, which is the difference between the initial and final DO readings. For diluted samples, you then multiply this depletion by the dilution factor. This final value, expressed in milligrams per liter, represents the biochemical oxygen demand of your water sample. Several factors can influence your BOD results, including temperature and pH, which directly affect microbial activity. For samples containing ammonia, using a nitrification inhibitor is crucial to prevent oxygen consumption by nitrifying bacteria, ensuring an accurate reading of carbonaceous BOD. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Understanding these variables helps ensure the reliability of your water quality assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.